Students, in today class, we will learn the concept of hinge tool and flex tool both. As you all know, in previous sessions, we have already learned about these tools, but in today's session, we will recall it. We will recall the use of hinge tool and flex tool, but with different design. As you all know, I'll show you. I'm going on welcome screen. As you all know, in previous sessions, we have prepared this mini robot and in which we have used the use of hinge tool, right? हमने इस मिनी रोबोट में इसके हैंड मूवमेंट्स के लिए हिंज टूल को यूज किया था. But today we will use this hinge tool on different place. Why we use on different place? Because जब हम different डिजाइन्स पर इसको यूज करेंगे तो आपके माइंड में वो क्लैरिटी आएगी कि किस तरीके से हम हिंज टूल का यूज कर सकते हैं एलडीडी में. करेक्ट. तो आज हम वही यूज करने जा रहे हैं और अपने मल्टीपल टूल्स को हम यहाँ पर एक्सेस करेंगे. As you all know, we have clone tool, hinge tool, flex tool, color tool, so, or we can say that paint tool. So we will use all these tools in a single design. So for that, we will create or we will open the fresh file by the help of free build, right? So first of all, we will click on free build. As you can see, the work plane is here. And right now we will prepare the new design. And for that design, we need one plate. So I'll write plate in search box. As you can see here, this is the plate folder and you can easily expand by the help of plus symbol, and you can scroll down of this library and after that you can easily search plate. And I want 6 by 12 plate. So I'll find out here, and this is 2 by 6 plate. Yes, I want this 2 by 6 plate, not 6 by 12. I can take this one. Okay, it is too small. So I'll find out another one. This is 2 by 8. This is 4 by 6. And this one is 4 by 8. This is 4 by 10. Yes, here it is. These are the 4 by 12 plates with different colors. So I can take this yellow plate. Yes, this one. It is a very bright color and it is looking very nice. So I can take this one and I will delete. So first tool मैंने यहाँ पर use किया delete, right? So I can delete this extra part or this extra plate by the help of this delete tool. So just click on it and after that click on that brick which you want to delete. So I'll just click on it, right? तो यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं हम अपने सारे tools को recall कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमने delete tool को access किया, right? Use किया. By the help of single selection, I can take another one. Just click on it and after that drag your mouse and just set here, right? Similarly, you can use one more plate like this. And you can take one more like this. if you want to set here, then you can use here also. And you can take one more plate like this. And then you can use in this way. Correct? Yes. And you can take one more like this. And after that, you can set here. So you can see आपने पूरा complete square plate ready कर लिया by the help of these plates. But अगर आप इसको बहुत ध्यान से understand करने की कोशिश करें और इसको बहुत ही carefully ध्यान से देखेंगे, zoom करेंगे, तो यहाँ पर आप एक चीज ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं कि ये सारे प्लेट्स सिर्फ सेट किए गए हैं, अटैच्ड नहीं है, राइट? अब आप इनको अटैच्ड कर सकते हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ ब्रिक्स. अगर आप इनको ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, देन यू कैन यूज ब्रिक, राइट? एंड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ ब्रिक्स यू कैन इजीली join it. How? So let's see. First of all, we will type in search box that is brick. Correct? And you can easily find out bricks. Yes, this is the brick folder. So you can easily expand by the help of plus symbol, and you can easily collapse by the help of minus symbol, right? So you can find out 1/2 brick. These all are 1/2 brick. You can take any one which you want to take. So I want to take a red color brick, right? And after that, I can set here. Yes. So you will change the direction. करेक्ट? आप देख सकते हैं, फर्स्टली आपको बहुत ध्यान से देखना है कि जॉइंट कहां पर है. ये प्लेट्स का जॉइंट है, राइट? तो आप यहां से क्रिएट करना शुरू करेंगे एंड यू कैन सेट हियर लाइक दिस, राइट? एंड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ क्लोन टूल यू कैन create more copies of this particular brick. So आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, आपने second tool और third tool को use कर लिया, that is clone tool. Just click on it and after that use like this, because आपको इनको join करना है, right? Similarly, you will use here. You can use here like this. Like this, right? And by the help of clone tool, you can use here also. Just rotate like this. And set it here. Yes. अब आप clone tool का यूज करेंगे and put it here and then put it here and then put it here like this, right? Yes. And after that, you will use one more brick, that is 1/3 brick. Its size is 1/3. correct? So you will take from here. So you can take green color, correct? And just put it here like this. And by the help of clone tool, you can put like this. Just use undo. And again, you will click on this brick and just put it here to set like this. Yes, correct. And now change the direction. In this way, you will set. Yeah. Correct. Similarly, you will change the direction once again. We'll set here. Just remove from here and just put it here. यहाँ पर आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं सेकेंड 1/2 ब्रिक को. Just click here. Yes, तो यहाँ पर हम इसको क्लोन टूल की हेल्प से कंप्लीट करेंगे लाइक दिस. Yes, and then we will change the direction in this way, like this. Correct? अब या तो आप इसको डिजाइनिंग पर्पज से इस तरीके से भी यूज कर सकते हैं, और if you want to complete this, then you can use 1/2 brick from here, right? In this way. You can use 1/3 also. Yes, no need to take 1/2. You can use 1/3 brick also. By the help of clone, you can use it, right? Now, we will take one frame. We will take one frame. So just collapse it and write 1/4/6 frame. And you can see this is a frame folder. You can expand it and you can use frame also. Here are lots of frame, but right now I want that kind of frame जिसको मैं easily यहाँ पर set कर सकती हूँ, correct? So I'll take this one and I can take another color like this one, container frame. No, I don't want this. I want another one. Yes, I can take this one. Yes, and after that, I will take door for frame. ये जो frame मैंने अभी लिया है उसके लिए मैं क्या set करूंगी? Door set करूंगी. We'll take this one. No, it is not good enough. Yes, these are the door for frames, so I can take this one easily. We'll take another color. तो अगर हमारा frame students 1 by, just click on it and check. Yes, its size is 1/4/6, but its size is 1/4/4. That's why हम इसको easily attach नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, right? तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम यहाँ पर use करेंगे frame 1/4/6 frame. Yes, this one is frame 1/4/6. So I can take this one and just put it here like this, right? Now you can see this is the door. अब आप यहाँ पर कोई भी structure create कर सकते हैं. Right now I will use hinge tool for that. So you can see, but before that I will delete all these extra parts which are present on my work plane area. Yes, and right now I'm using hinge tool. Just click on this frame, just click on this door, and after that, by the help of this cloak structure, you can open it like this. As you can see, it is your choice कि आप इसको कितना open up करना चाहते हैं. Correct? तो मैंने आपको आज एक डिफरेंट डिजाइन के साथ हिंज टूल को क्लियर किया है कि इस तरीके से भी हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. As you can see, right? So it is completely up to you. Correct? And now move on to the next one. I want to use here chain. So I'll just type here chain. And now you can see, yes, these all are the chain. So I'll just put it here. Correct? And after that, you can use flex tool. And by the help of this flex tool, you can easily set anywhere where you want to set it, right? Like this. Correct? So, इस तरीके से हम कोई भी डिजाइन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. So it is completely up to us. Yes. And right now, I'm using mini frame. Yes. So I'll take this one like this. And I will use mini upper part. Can take this one. Mini head. Yes, we can use any one which I want to use here. Like I want to take this one. And then mini cap. Right? तो इस तरीके से हम कोई भी डिफरेंट डिजाइन्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एज यू कैन सी, राइट? और आपने देखा यहाँ पर हमने बहुत सारे टूल्स को एक साथ एक्सेस किया, लाइक डिलीट टूल, फ्लेक्स टूल, हिंज टूल, क्लोन टूल एंड सिलेक्शन टूल. I hope it is clear to you.